This is Dan the Cardboard Hobby. We are cracking 2020 Gold Rush Autograph Mini Helmet Football 3-box break, eBay break on April 4th, 2020. I'm going to read off eBay usernames with team names. Psychotic Baby 86 with the Ravens and the Lions. We got JDJ0522, Dolphins and Chargers. J Loudon 1 with the Cardinals, Jaguars and Giants. Shafee _10 with the Panthers and Jets. D Laker 1 with the Redskins. Boston John with the Titans. ADM 194 with the Buccaneers. Duco 23 with the Seahawks and the 49ers. Steel City 512 with the Steelers. 2010 BER 45 with the Eagles. FIBA 4602 with the Raiders. 2010 BER 45 also with the Saints. Rilo 2 with the Patriots. Dusty KREHE 0 with the Packers and Chiefs. Member 665626 with the Vikings. Boston John with the Rams. Duco 23 also with the Colts and the Texans. JDJ0522 also with the Broncos. Duco 23 also with the Cowboys. Indy _9839 with the Browns. Joe Dirt 613 with the Bengals. Duco 23 also with the Bears. Gus Dunn 25 with the Bills. RFJ 1963 _2008 rocking the Falcons. That is your full lineup. All right, 1, 2, and 3. 2020 Gold Rush Autograph Mini Helmet Football. Your first mini helmet coming at ya. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. Mini helmet number 1. The Browns. Bernie Kosar. That is gorgeous. That's a nice big autograph, too. JSA certification there. Bernie Kosar. There's your JSA certification. And your JSA cert right there. Bernie Kosar for the Browns. Browns on the board. Indy _9839. Rocking the Browns. Congrats. Beautiful Bernie Kosar. Autograph mini helmet. That's nice. Alright. Mini helmet number 2. Here we go. And, a flat black edition. Marcus Mariota for the Titans. Those flat blacks are so sweet looking. Love the silver auto there. Marcus Mariota, the Titans on the board. Got a Beckett COA. And your Beckett COA is in there in the bottom as well. Beautiful. Marcus Mariota for the Titans. Boston John rocking the Titans. Congrats. Beautiful Marcus Mariota. Flat black collection. That's gorgeous. Very nice. Titans on the board. Real nice Marcus Mariota. Alright, and your last mini helmet. Box number 3. Good luck, everybody. Ooh, does that look pretty? Wow. Chrome alternate. The Patriots, Sony Michel. Wow, there's your auto right there. White auto. That is, wow, is that a absolute gorgeous looking mini helmet there. Beckett COA. And Beckett COA in the bottom in there as well. That's a beauty for the Patriots. Wow, is that nice? That is really nice. Rilo-2 rocking the Patriots. Congrats. Beauty. Sony Michel. Chrome alternate. That is a really nice looking autograph mini helmet there. Congrats to the Patriots. Congrats to the Patriots here, of course, on your Sony Michel. We had your Marcus Mariota flat black collection for the Titans. And we also had for the Browns, Mr. Bernie Kosar. Bernie Kosar. Real nice Bernie for the Browns there. So congrats to the Browns, congrats to the Titans, and congrats to the Patriots. Guys, thank you so much for breaking. Really, really appreciate it, guys. It really means a lot. CardboardHobby.com, Dugan1640 on eBay. I'll stick around in case anybody has any questions or needs anything, guys. Thank you so, so much. Of course, be smart, be safe out there, guys. And we'll be back at it Wednesday night, guys. Wednesday night. Thank you so much.